We've landed. I'm Coyote Cook, and I'm here in the Sahara in South Africa. And I'm here on my show to show you the skills you need to survive in such an environment. This is man versus nature. Now that we're out here in the wild, I'm gonna show you what you must have in any given occasion out here in the wild to survive. Now, first, and one of the most important things is a well-sharpened boomerang knife. It is good for cutting down weeds and helping build your shelter and protection from wild beasts that lurk in the wilderness, and most importantly, it looks freaking awesome. And second, we have a bandana to wipe my sweat off my face, just in case I get sweaty running around in the wild. And also we have here sunglasses, in case the sun gets in my eyes and I want to look cool. And here we have this thing. We have $10 in case we run into a Taco Bell. And most important of all, the most important survival tool I have is a camera. I've happened to have several cameras here with me, but this camera, a camera is a life-saving weapon. And also I have here ammunition for the camera. Now these here are the bare essentials to surviving in the wild. Now the least important thing would probably have to be that thing. But the most important thing would have to be the camera. Remember, always carry a camera with you everywhere you go. Well, there's not much I can think of doing with this thing, other than building a shelter. Now that I've got the area flattened for my shelter, now we can begin to build. Well, as you can see, I've built my shelter. It's not much, but maybe with a few minor
Hey Coyote, what hotel are we staying at tonight?
Right. Since we're out in the wilderness and there doesn't seem to be any water around, I've been forced to drink my own urine. It's warm. It's not that bad. Oh! Alright, top it off, top it off. Come here, come here. I just saw a small game animal. We're gonna go after it. I've been really hungry. I've been out here for a while and the hunger's really starting to set in, so we're gonna have to go. Oh, let's go, let's go.
But the small game was empty. So I decided to use my camera and go for bigger game.
I've spotted a good specimen coming down this rail. We're gonna get it right here. This has been Man vs. Nature, and I've showed you how to survive hundreds and hundreds of miles from anybody. Join me next time on Man vs. Nature.